Hello, hello, it's me, Mindy. I'm back. I have some more stuff to show you. This time it is from Diamond Art Gift. There's some unique things here. I can hardly wait to show you. Very unique. You know, I love to find the unique objects. And that, I found some. So I hope you enjoy these. If you're new here, this is kind of what I do. I look for cool things at the budget-friendly companies. I like my special drill projects, and I found some. For those of you who are returning, you know what I do. Thanks for coming back. You guys like the things I find. Okay, this is stuck in the bag. Stuck! It's stuck! Help! We must free it. It really is. It's like stuck right to the plastic. Okay, come on. There it is. Okay, there's that part. Whew, we got it. The rest of this is the toolkit, but there's an important little piece in here. So this is the toolkit that comes with it, but you'll notice that there's a little string type thing and some rings to hook it with, and it has a little gem dangling from it. That's kind of pretty. You want to see the little gem? Let's look at the gem. Why not? I don't want to take everything else out of here. I don't want to lose all the little pieces. I'm certain I'll need those pieces. Oh, look, the gem didn't even come. Just the string. I thought it was attached to the string. I guess I get to attach it. It's pretty though. Oh, come on, focus. It's too sparkly. It's like, no, we can't focus. Look at it. Isn't it cool? Is it double-sided? No, it's really one-sided. It's like covered on the back. So I have to hook that to the string, and then you hook this to the object. That's why we got the little jump rings. Okay, cool. Stay in there. I'll need you later. All right, so this is pretty cool. It's a feather. It's one-sided. I don't know what was sticking. There's something sticky right there. Isn't that pretty? There were several different ones, different patterns, different colors, and things like that. So your string and your gem will hang out up here. It's a bookmark. Now, it's a very pliable plastic. It's not like that thick acrylic. It's a pliable plastic. It's very thin, which is awesome for a bookmark, right? That's awesome for a bookmark. Wish I had a book here to show you, but I don't. They're somewhere else. Anyhow, pretty cool. So the tassel, not a tassel, but the little bead will attach to the top, and it will dangle, dangle out of the book, making it easy to find your place. I love it. That's so cool. I love it. Like I said, several different styles, colors, things like that. Of course, I will link it below so that you can go look at them yourself. I like that style of bookmark a lot. It's going to fit nicely in the book, not, take up a whole bunch of space. All right, here's our colors of our rhinestones. We have a pink, purple. This is not a rhinestone. That is a blue AB. Nifty. I love that. That's super pretty. Look at it. Ooh, love it. Blue, yellow, and then we have some purple marquees. Those are gorgeous. Love those. All right. And then we have a couple bags of special things here. Like we have a couple of yellow faceted gems. We have, what's in here? There we go. We have some clear ones. And then we have some pink marquees. Those are pretty. Love it. I love this. I love this idea. I may be getting more. I may be getting more. It would be cool if they'd come out with some other things besides the feathers too. They could do all kinds of stuff on this thin plastic. I like it. They're onto something. Okay, what else do we have here? A small package. Diamond painting magnet. Two magnets. So I take it they're a magnet. Yeah. How's it open? Where is it open? Down here. It opens down here. So again, they had multiple varieties. This is just the one that caught my eye that I thought looked super cute. All right. So here's what we have. Solid magnet on the back, right? Solid magnet. And then on the front, look what we have. Aren't they cute? We have this lollipop, and we have like a sundae, some sort of ice cream cone thing. I don't know what it is, but it's cute, right? They had lots of different styles, you guys. I love it when you get choice. Now, here's the toolkit. These seem to be resin drills. There's not a ton of them. Look, we got white, pink, blue, yellow, and another pink. Resin drills. Love it. Now, if you were doing Smashing the Specials, would this count? Absolutely. It's a special project. Doesn't have to be rhinestones necessarily. Aren't they cute? And wow, another unique item. I'm telling you, this is the unboxing of unique items. What do we have in this one? What's in here? I love things that come in these little small packages like this. Fun things. Looks like regular drills again. We're in another bag. We're a bag in a bag. All right. Well, it wasn't going to come out, was it? I think I can eliminate a bag. What do you think? Okay, what's in here? It's stuck. Let go. Let go. Stuck to the plastic in here. Stuck again. Goodness gracious. All right, here's what we have. We have stickers. Okay, I looked carefully through the stickers. I wanted them to be, a decent size sticker, and I wanted them to actually look like they would turn out. So these, of course, caught my eye. Looks like we're having Thanksgiving turkey down here, doesn't it? Is that a turkey? He's got a cup of Joe. I don't know what he's got. He's got a honey pot. Cute. And we have some others. He's got a pie. He's got corn. These look like Thanksgiving stickers, don't they? A lot of them. He's got a feather. He's got 2 feathers in his hat. They look very Thanksgiving-y. I like them. So there's the stickers. I love them. A bunch of them too, right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. There you go. Bunch of stickers. Like them. And we just have regular drills for that. I'm not going to open all those. They're regular drills in all of these colors. Oranges, pinks, blues, pretty much a variety of colors. Cute. Now, my question is, yep, they just peel off here. Like after you complete it, it will peel right here. See? And then it's very sticky on the back. Now it's sticky on both sides, of course, but cute. Put some sealer on those, and you can put those on all kinds of things. Put them on drill containers, all kinds of fun stuff. Notebooks, binders, you name it. Fun. That one's a butterfly. Cute, right? Yeah, I'm loving this stuff, you guys. And they had other stickers, lots of other types of stickers. All right, this I have in a full drill. And when I saw that they had it in, let me zoom you out just a little bit. When I saw they had it in a special drill, I was like, yes, please. I'm all over it. I've wanted to do this one for a long time. It is on the top of one of my boxes. I want to do it forever. Now that it's in special drills, I probably will do it. 10 different shapes. I just loved the sunflowers and the ladybugs, the daisies. I love everything about that. I just adore it. I adore that one. All right, let's look at its drills. Oh, this is interesting. Wait till you see this. All right, let's look at our colors and let's see what we have. So this is kind of cool. Look, we have some black resin, first of all, or acrylic, whatever they are. Clear, red rhinestones, green rhinestones, and yellow resin, acrylic, okay? Orange, brown, orange, some big yellow faceted, and some green marquees. So we have 2 colors in here that are regular drills, not rhinestones. Interesting. So we're going to have a mixed kind of situation going on here. I like it. I like it. What do you think? I like it. All right. Okay. I've got one more thing to show you here. And I'm not going to show you that side yet. I got to tell you, this is not the one. But yesterday I got a package just like this in my mailbox. It was this wide. Now, do you think that's about 10, 11 inches wide? Do you think that fits in a mailbox? No. I'll tell you right now, no, it doesn't. Unless your mailman takes the entire package and crunches it and bends the corners and squishes it in your mailbox. That's what he did. I'm not happy. The weird thing was he drove up to the porch anyhow because he had a big box. So why would you do that to somebody's package? I'm just happy it didn't break anything inside. Okay, that's the toolkit. All right, here we go. Here is our base. These will hook together. They're sticky and all that to give you a nice thick base. And we have Santa, ho, ho, hoing, right? There he is. And what goes in our base? This does. One-sided. You can't tell on this side. There's nothing on that side. But this is the side that gets drills. Look at that. Okay, I'm not thrilled that we have Santa here, but you know what? You could always turn him over or something and not use it, you know? I don't think it goes with the whole thing, right? Santa and the bells. I don't know. I'm not crazy about that. I would prefer that they just did these maybe a solid color if they're going to put a color on them, or maybe just like the whole blue background without a picture, something like that. Anyhow, this is cool though. Lots of drills on here. This would actually take a little bit of time. Again, several different varieties of these. Like the one I just told you that I got today in the mail or yesterday in the mail. It's one of these and it's a different type, different style. Love these. These are just like tabletop decorations. I have several of these for different holidays that just sit around my house. You know, I take them out at the holiday time. I liked this one, the bells. It was simple, elegant, wasn't very kidsy. This kind of took it down a notch, you know, to kidsy. I just liked it, you know, like this. But anyhow, I like them. I really like this kind of stuff. Let's look at what drills come with it. So whatever is on the bag will match what's on the canvas. So I always start with my ones. I do 1, 2, 3, and I do everything on there. I'm working on a little Halloween one right now. Trying to finish that up. So we have some clear rhinestones, a couple of reds, pinks, kind of salmon colors almost. Some goldish colors here. Light yellow, couple of greens. Can't even hardly tell that one's green, it's so dark. Blue, orange, a brown, and a green. So those are all the rhinestones. So we have 15 colors of rhinestone. Then we have a couple special bags here. So we have some big red ones, and it has the number 17, so they'll go here and here, right? Part of the berries. Then we have some little red ones, the 16s, and they're down here as berries, probably. And we have some blue and some yellow. So very pretty. I love this kind of stuff. I mean, it's my favorite stuff to get. And anytime I see something that's new and different and unique, I'm going to hop on it. I'm probably going to get more of these now that I've seen one in person. I'm probably going to order some more of the bookmarks like this. I like that a lot. All right. Okay. That's what I had to show you today, you guys. And thank you, Diamond Art Gift, for sending some nice stuff. Well, let me pick out some nice stuff. I will talk to everybody soon. I hope you have a great day. And again, the links will all be below so you can check them out for yourself. All right, guys. I will talk to you soon.